Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change colors in a crochet when working in rows. This is great for adding stripes to scarves, blankets or any flat project. I'm using a small sample in single crochet, but this technique works the same way with any stitch. You will change colors at the very end of the row in the last stitch. Stop before the last yarn over. Now grab your new color yarn, lay it over the hook and pull it through the last two loops to complete the stitch. Chain one, turn your work and continue with your new color. Next row, I will show you how to change color with a double crochet stitch. So make a chain of 3, which counts as a first double crochet. I will continue next row with double crochet. Now work last double crochet, but stop before the last yarn over. Now take your new color again, lay it over the hook and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. And again, you change the color in the new row. Now make another chain 3, turn your work and continue with double crochet. And that's how you change colors in rows. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and stick around for the next video where we will learn more complex shell stitch. See you there!